Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in a bonus video throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I am here to share a bag review. Yep, I'm here to share a bag review. Now, before I jump into this hair bag review, if this not your cup of tea, go ahead and click out, because you know Miss Tamika got you. Look, girlies that enjoy these type of videos, don't get you upset or anything like that, because we here to have fun on this channel, okay? So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump straight into this hair video. So I did do an unboxing on this particular bag. I will try and leave it down in the description so y'all can actually see, because like I said, 10 out of 10. Packaging was on point. Shipping, everything was on point. Everything was packaged really nice. So I just wanted to share a update and also what fits in this particular bag. About we are talking about this hair cutie, this little Gucci bag. Okay, she cute. All right, so here is the bag, and it do come with a bag chain that you can carry either shoulder or crossbody. I don't usually do shoulder bags. I usually wear them as crossbody anytime they have anytime it comes with the strap. Side, you do have a face mirror. Here in the inside, you have room to put a few things in here. So we're going to share what we can fit in here, okay? All right, so I have a bag that I'm carrying at the moment. So, all right, so for sure, we would definitely need my phone case. Y'all look at my phone, my screensaver. This was my inspo for my nails. So we're going to definitely need my cell phone. We're going to put a little, no, we're not going to put that in there. We're going to put some hand sanitizer in there, because y'all know I cannot leave without my hand sanitizer. I'm not a germaphobe, but I just need my hand sanitizer, especially when I'm at work, because anytime I'm in between clients, not that I touch the clients, but I don't know, I just still need to sanitize in between clients, y'all. I have my hand sanitizer. We definitely going to need some gum, so I'm going to put my gum in here. I have to, and here is my card case. I'm going to have to bring my card case because we need my ID, my driver's license, all that good stuff. Maybe some cuticle oil. Maybe. I'm going to put that in there. Let's put some hand soap, because, you know, when you go to bathrooms and they don't have hand soap, at least we have our own. I was going to put this here Chanel mirror, but I'm like, why, when we have a face mirror right here? Let's see what else. We're going to put a hair clip. Let's see what else. My rolled lip balm in here, because we're going to need something for our lips. We can't be walking around with chap lips, okay, y'all? Just put this in here, because I usually use this when I want to take pictures. So I'm going to put this little suction thing in here. Put that in the back. Still have room, y'all. I'm going to put this little lollipop in here. I don't know, to give to someone. Y'all, look how cute this is. Shout out to my Chanel friend, y'all. She came and bought me and my other Sephora friend these here Chanel charms. Y'all, when I tell you, I was like, okay, girl. Ooh. So I did get this here puff from, what was it, Sprouts? So that's like here on the top. And what else? Maybe a Prada lip. And that's all I'm going to put in here. So as you can see, everything fits perfectly in the inside of this hair bag. So let's zip her up. So I usually zip her and have the zippers meeting in the middle, because there's two zippers, as you can see. And carry this as a top handle. or a crossbody. Let me show you how it looks crossbody. My daughter wore this for her birthday. I will probably insert some pictures of her wearing this on her birthday. It looks so cute with her red. She had a Victoria's Secret red sweatsuit on. Hello.
Hi, Tamika. This is Malone Jarvis.
I'm gonna keep my phone out because it interrupted me when I was trying to show y'all what's in my bag. I usually bring the zippers to the front. So, like I said, you can carry it either handheld or crossbody. I like to wear it crossbody. Wear this here crossbody because it just looks nicer crossbody. I said I like to wear this here crossbody, y'all. It just looks so cute crossbody to me. I will show you how it looks just carrying it on your shoulder. So here is the bag as a shoulder bag. Like I said, I'm not really big on carrying it as a shoulder bag because I just feel like it's not secure. And when I'm out and about, I don't want somebody to just grab my bag off my shoulders. So like I said, I wouldn't carry it as a shoulder bag, but I just wanted to show you how it looks as a shoulder bag. When I carry this, I like to carry it handheld or like in the crook of my arm like so. And usually I'll take the strap and wrap it around my arm, or I would just like tuck it in my bag. But I like the way the strap hangs because it gives it like a piece of extraness. Yeah, like I said, I am impressed with this brand. This brand has sent me some things before, and like I said, everything they have sent me from then to now has been 10 out of 10. I am, like I said, very impressed with the quality, the packaging, everything. Now this one did come with like a slight smell, but it did eventually go away, so just keep that in mind. It just kind of like smelled like a warehouse or something like that. Go away, so just keep that in mind. It did have a slight warehouse smell, but again, it wasn't a deal breaker. It wasn't that bad where it's like, okay, I don't want it, but I just wanted to be straight up and honest with you all. But yeah, as far as the bag, I will leave all the details down below for you all. Again, make sure you click on that description box. You have to click the description box to be able to take advantage of whatever I'm mentioning in this here video. I have clickable links for you to be able to click and go straight to their particular website. Give y'all a really quick update and let y'all know how the bag is doing. As you can see, if you can see, the bag does not come with feet. The leather, if I didn't mention, is like really soft and squishy. Like, it's made really well, you all. It don't look like it came from Canal Street, if that makes any sense. So all I'm saying is the bag to me is 10 out of 10. Or, and I'm gonna say it again, I would never ever do unboxings or show y'all anything that's not Miss Tamika approved. Like I said, I wear this myself. I do have, of course, y'all know I have luxury things in my collection, but I have put a pause on buying luxury items. So I'm just having fun with brands sending me bags to do reviews on. Like I said, I don't have a problem with it. I mean, it's just fun for me. Like I said, it's not everyone's cup of tea, and I get that, you know, but will I go out and buy these bags? Absolutely not. But if they're sent to me, like, why not? And then I have a daughter, you know, she can play with these bags or whatever. Of course, she's going to always have access to my real bags, but this would give her access to bags that she could wear, you know, out and about, and I don't have to worry about nobody trying to rob her or whatever. So, you know, because she don't like to hang where I hang. So, you know, I just want for her to be safe. If she wore one of these bags and somebody was to snatch it, she'll be fine. You know, not saying that she would be in that type of environment, but you just never know. So I say that to say this bag is 10 out of 10, okay, y'all? Like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, all types of other brands. So make sure you click that description box and check out their link. Like I said, 10 out of 10. I hope they reach out and want to work with me again, because I'm going to pick something else. I don't know what, but I am going to pick something else because, like I said, I'm having fun. My birthday is coming up, so I'm not sure if I'm going to treat myself to a bag or buy a SLG. Like, I'm not sure right now because the prices of Louis Vuitton is just so expensive. Like, don't get me wrong, back when I was buying them, they were expensive, but now they just hit a whole nother level of expensive, okay? I'm just saying, y'all, like, I'm just saying. Is the bag. Let me show you what it looks like in the inside. So to mention, these here are detachable. So for whatever reason you don't want to carry the straps, you can carry this like so in the crook of your arm. Well, for me, it won't fit down my arm. And it won't look right in the crook of your arm. This one is more so a handheld type of bag. So yeah, I just wanted to show you the bag. So please make sure y'all click on that link down below, y'all, and get yourself a bag. And any of my Sephora friends watching, click that link down below, because they've been like, oh my gosh, Miss Tamika, where's the link? Where's the link? The link will be down below, okay? So yeah, this is for you, Jenny Jen. The link is down below for you, girlfriend. And said, if y'all enjoyed this here video, y'all know what to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, you all, I'll talk to you in the next video. Okay? Mwah.